How to become a backend developer in 2023, a small tips for beginners. First tip, choose a server-side programming language such as Python, Java, C# or Ruby, but choose a language that is popular and in demand and that you enjoy working with. Second step, learn the basic of the chosen programming language like what is data types, variables, control structure and basic syntax. Third step, as a backend developer, you will often need to work with databases to store and retrieve data. So learn about database management system, which is DBMS, and structure query language, which is SQL, to be able to design and manage database efficiently. Fourth step, backend developers use server-side frameworks to help them build and maintain web applications. Choose a framework that is popular and well suited to the programming language you have chosen and start learning how to use it. Fifth step, you will often need to create APIs, which is application programming interfaces, that allow different systems to communicate with each other. So learn about RESTful APIs and how to design and implement them. Sixth step, learn how to manage servers and deploy application to them. This may include tasks such as setting up and configuring web servers, load balancers, and database servers. Seventh step, as you learn, start building small projects to practice your skills and gain hands-on experience. You can also look for internship or entry-level position to gain professional experience in the field. Last step, development is constantly evolving. So it's important to stay up to date with the latest technologies and best practices. This will help you build better, more efficient applications and stay competitive in the job market.